I can't focus this.
Go away.
Introduce yourself. This is Alan.
I'm in gaming mode.
Well, that's my brother. Say bye. Say bye. Let's go see if we can find my cat. Moo! Oh, there's my dog. Hi, Freckles. Yes. Through the kitchen. Moo! Mouse guts. Come on. Ah, the sun. Usually my cat is rolling in the dust. There, but he's not. Say hi, Freckles! Giant truck that we don't use. Desks. Where is my cat? Herbs. Cilantro. Thyme. This is, I don't know what that is. It's rosemary. Basil. Smells really nice. Like, and chives. Grown these puppies quite some time. Still on the hunt for my cat. Ah! Loser. Pillow is going in the dirt. What do you think, Freckles? I'll put it on the trampoline. Brother! He just wanted his pillow back.
Stop.
Can't focus fast enough. Alright. We're going to continue on the hunt for my cat. Where is he? He's usually not this hard to find. Hold on. If you're ever in need of some woodsy woods, I got you. Oh, the strongest one is the queen! Alright, watch me do this. Ha. Cat is still hiding. But that's the back of my house, neighbor's house. Aww, there he is.
Take him. He's fat. Take the fat kitty.
Look how cute he is. Oh yes, hello. Watch, he's gonna roll in the dust. There it is. Cute. Who is a dirty kitty? Yes. Come on, Boo. Come on, buddy. Scoops. Oh, you dusty, dusty, dusty. Come on. Come on. Favorite member of the family. Nice shot of the back of your head. Hello. Who's a happy doggy? Oh, watch this. Yes. Come on. Yes, butt sniff. Oh, watch me make a shot. I was making some sick shots.
Oh, yeah, you were, yeah, totally.
Numero dos. That didn't count. A dribble moves.
Oh!
Get a layup. Whatever the hell that is.
That wasn't a layup. That wasn't a run up and you throw the ball and kinda.
Alley-oop is like a
How do you play
skateboard move.
How do you? No, it's a basketball thing. It's like you throw the ball and someone else like dunks it.
So you've always thought
They
I
don't
should
have
do
to
that
dunk it,
because it's
but-
alley-oop. Alley-oop. How about an alley-oops? Because I won't make this, watch. Signature. I'm gonna make a far one. Let's get this.